In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your messages on Indeed with ease and confidence. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in your message inbox, don't worry. Today we'll walk through a simple method to tidy things up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to easily navigate to your messages and delete any unwanted ones. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure you are on Indeed's website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Indeed URL to reach their homepage. If you have an account, make sure to log in using your credentials to access all the features available to you. Now that you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the menu bar. You should see an option labeled Messages, which is where we'll do all our work today. Clicking on this link will take you to your message inbox. This is a central hub for all communications you have with employers, job listings, or any other aspect related to your job search. Inboxes can become quite full if you use Indeed regularly, so it's essential to manage them effectively. Once you're inside the Messages section, you'll be presented with your message list. Here, you'll be able to see all the communications you've received. Now, in order to tidy up, let's say you want to delete a particular message. Find the message that's no longer necessary for you. Next to this message, you'll notice 3 dots. This icon is your gateway to additional options regarding the message in question. When you click on these 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options, one of them being Delete. Simply click Delete, and this particular message will be removed from your inbox. Be sure to double-check that you are selecting the correct message before confirming this action, as deleting a message is typically irreversible. And just like that, you've successfully cleaned up a part of your Indeed message inbox. Remember, keeping your message inbox organized can help reduce stress and improve your efficiency when managing job applications and communications. Regularly checking and deleting messages you no longer need is a good practice. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more comfortable managing your messages on Indeed. This small routine task can make a big difference in maintaining a clear and organized job search process. If you have more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through comments or explore other tutorials we have available. Thank you for watching and happy job hunting. Be sure to check out more of our videos if you're eager to keep improving your skills and getting the most out of your job hunting platforms. Have a great day.